Hi everybody, it's Deborah from workathomeonlineforfree.com. Thanks so much for tuning in and watching my video today. I'm going to try to make this a quick video today. Today's video is called Understanding How to Make Money Online. If you have been here before, you know that I am a full-time affiliate marketer. I've been doing it full-time since 2015. And if you've been here before, you've heard me talk about a company called Wealthy Affiliate. They are the ones who gave me my training when I got started with affiliate marketing back in 2015. So I just wanted to do a quick video directing you directly to one of their free classes called Understanding How to Make Money Online. I'm going to give you a link to this class to go directly to it in the description box of this YouTube video. And you're going to be able to go there and you're going to be able to take this class. And this is one of many free classes that are included in Wealthy Affiliates free starter membership. They have a free starter membership that includes 10 beginner classes and then another 10 kind of more advanced classes that you can take to learn how to set up a website, to learn how to become an affiliate, to learn how to write content for your website, to learn how to make money online. Again, this is how I started in 2015, and the training is free to start. Now, just so that you don't get nervous, this is not the sort of a thing where they're going to give you like a free webinar and then you go and you take this free training class, and then at the end of the class they tell you that in order to get started you got to put out $1,000 or $3,000 for some huge training program. That is not what this is. Wealthy Affiliate does in fact have a free starter program that includes up to 20 free classes, all about how to make money online, how to do affiliate marketing, how to do e-commerce, all those sorts of things. And when I say free, I mean free. The classes are free. And you also get a free website with their training too, which I think is absolutely phenomenal. I haven't found any place else that gives you training and then gives you a free website to start with. But it is in fact free. And then if you decide that you like their training and you go through all these training classes and you start a website and you're learning about affiliate marketing and you decide that this is something you actually want to do and actually something you're doing well with and something you want to continue with, then you can upgrade to what they call their premium membership, which guess what, is only $49 a month. Okay, so it's not like some free training that at the end of it, you got to shell out all this money if you want all the stuff that they're talking about. That's not how it is at all at Wealthy Affiliate. You start out, you get the free training. You get 10 free classes that include one free website. They have another 10 free classes within the free training called Affiliate Bootcamp, where you can learn kind of even more advanced affiliate marketing techniques. And then, like I said, if you take all those free classes and you set up your website and you decide you want to go further, then you have the option to go further, and their additional training is only $49 a month. And then they do have an annual program for $495 where you can get a whole year of training for $495. So I don't want you to be worried about it, because I know there's a lot of scams out there. Right before I started Wealthy Affiliate back in 2015, I was scammed by a company that claimed to be able to teach me how to be a full-time affiliate marketer. I paid money for the program, and they did give me some training, but it was nowhere near the amount of training that I would actually need to be successful at affiliate marketing. So I do know what it's like to look online and try to learn how to make money online and have to watch out for the scams all the time, you know. So I do have a playlist on this YouTube channel called Wealthy Affiliate. You can go on there. You can see I've done a whole bunch of videos about them. In the description box to this video, I'm going to give you a link to this free training that I'm going to show you today. I'm going to give you a link to those 10 free classes that I told you about. I'll give you a link for my full review of Wealthy Affiliate, so you'll be able to check it all out. And like I said, just go ahead and relax. This is not a scam, okay? Now, understanding how to make money online. If you look at my screen where we are right now, we are on the Wealthy Affiliate website, and this is, in fact, one of the very first classes that I took when I started their free training back in 2015. Now, as I said, as a result of the training of Wealthy Affiliate, I have been a full-time affiliate marketer since 2015. Okay, the training works. I can attest to it. And here I am all these years later still doing it as my job in my pajamas. I just happen to really like that part. Anyway, like I said, I'm going to give you a link to this training. This training, along with all of the other free trainings that you're going to get in Wealthy Affiliate, are taught by a guy named Kyle. He's one of the owners of Wealthy Affiliate. He's been a full-time affiliate marketer for 100 years. They started this company back in 2005. Wealthy Affiliate is one of the largest, most successful affiliate marketing training companies and websites online. So it's the real deal. I personally consider it a privilege to have been trained by Kyle, or somebody with his amount of experience. And he does a good job of the trainings too. They're easy to follow. So let me show you this. In this, he talks about how will you make money online. Sometimes people don't really understand, like, how do you make money online? What are things like affiliate marketing? Like, how do you, it's like, how do you do it? It's like, okay, you have a website that makes money, but how? It's like if you're brand new to it, you don't know, and so in this training, it's a really good introductory training for how do you make money online, understanding how to make money online. So he talks about it here in the class. And then within the class, there's a video here, and this video is by Kyle, and that's what a lot of the free training is in Wealthy Affiliate. It's looking over Kyle's shoulder, kind of like you're looking over mine now, and with him doing a video and showing you step by step and really helping you to get an understanding of whatever it is he's teaching you in that particular class. In this, for example, he talks about understanding the make money process. It's like, okay, what's affiliate marketing? I have a website that makes money. Well, how does that work? And as you can see by the diagram within the class, he talks about how does affiliate marketing work, what the steps are, what the process is. And again, in the class and in the video, he takes you through every step of this. He even goes so far as to have you write down your financial goals. So, like I said, this is one of the several free classes that are included in the free starter program. I'll give you the links to this in the description box. And I just wanted to put out this video to give people an opportunity to have the same free training that I had and to have something that doesn't turn out to be a scam where you do some free classes and then you find out it's this huge expensive thing. Okay, that's not what Wealthy Affiliate is. And it is effective training, and they do give you a free website in it. And you know what? Nothing ventured, nothing gained. It doesn't hurt anything to try it. It's not going to cost you anything to try it. And before you invest any big money in any kind of big training program or anything like that, you should do something like this. Try it out. See if this is something that you would actually like. So again, thank you so much for watching my video. My name is Deborah, and my website is workathomeonlineforfree.com. I'm going to give you a link to that website in the description box. There's all kinds of content on my YouTube channel all about how to make money online, and I hope that you'll go ahead and click into this class, Understanding How to Make Money Online, and go ahead and get started if you're looking to work at home in your pajamas like me. So feel free to give me any questions in the comments. I would love to hear your feedback and let me know what you thought of the class. Again, thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.